Hi, and welcome to our Hazel Wreath Kit unboxing. Today we're going to walk through the components included in your kit. When you receive your kit, you'll have a set of written instructions along with the following materials. For this wreath, you'll be making 4 different types of felt flowers, along with foliage. The first flower is the gathered rose in white. Included is the circle template to cut out your petals. You'll also be making 4 pom-pom flowers in tan, and 4 peony flowers in camel. Finally, you'll be making 8 petite rose flowers in black, and the olive green is for your leaves. For the flowers that require a needle and thread, we've provided this for you, but keep in mind that this project requires you to provide your own hot glue gun, hot glue sticks, shears, and a ruler or tape measure. Finally, you'll receive a 19-inch hoop ring with 7 mesh already attached, which will help support your felt flowers and leaves. Check out our Hazel Wreath Kit playlist on YouTube for more information on how to prep, make, and assemble your very own beautiful wreath.